DELMIA's ready-to-build solution for the aerospace and defense industry improves the process planning and work instruction authoring of complex and highly engineered structures and assemblies where the cost of engineering changes and replanning are high. Manufacturing structures and assemblies for the aerospace and defense industry require that OEMs and suppliers document that all requirements from engineering have been implemented and accounted for by the manufacturing process. Engineering requirements cover a broad range of assembly applications, such as fasteners, bonding, or sealant specifications. DELMIA's ready-to-build solution provides companies with a collaborative 3D planning environment to build a solid assembly and installation strategy. The collaborative environment is used to define and communicate manufacturing context, plans, and changes to all stakeholders. Users are able to plan and account for every single fastener automatically and at the same time define the condition of supply so OEMs can explain how they want their suppliers to meet all the manufacturing specifications. Within the same 3D environment, users create a virtual twin of the manufacturing facility, defining assembly lines and designing new tooling in context. Ultimately, users can do a rough resource balancing between the assembly line and any sublines, making sure that the overall production rate goal can be met. DELMIA's ready-to-build solution enables companies to bring new programs to full production rate faster with improved quality, resulting in higher profit margins.